Hi, I am Godwin Achinge. Here's your Channels TV news update for July the 6th, 2020. Nigeria has recorded 544 new cases of COVID-19 in 18 states and the FCT, and that's according to the latest figures released by the Nigeria Center for Disease Control. Well, this now brings the total confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the country to 28,711, with 11,665 patients discharged and 645 deaths recorded. Here's a breakdown of the new cases. Meanwhile, there's been another high-profile death from COVID-19, this time at the Benue State University, where the Deputy Vice-Chancellor in charge of academics, Professor Godwin Achinge, is a victim. Professor Achinge, who is also the Vice-Chairman of the Benue State Action Committee on COVID-19, had earlier tested positive for coronavirus. Channels Television gathered that he died yesterday afternoon at an undisclosed hospital in Jos, the Plateau State capital. In Lagos, 45 more COVID-19 patients have been discharged from various isolation centers in the state. 18 of them are females, while the remaining 27 are males, including 4 foreigners. This brings the number of successfully managed COVID-19 cases in the state to 1,740. And on the international scene, Australian authorities say they will close the border between the country's two most populous states, Victoria and New South Wales, after a spike in COVID-19 cases in Melbourne. The outbreak in Victoria's capital has seen hundreds of cases in the last 2 weeks, representing more than 95% of new infections in Australia. Until now, the two states had maintained open borders, even when others had shut them. And in sports, Che Adams has ended his wait for a first English Premier League goal with an incredible long-range strike to see Southampton to a shock 1-0 win over Manchester City. Adams was making his 25th top-flight appearance for Saints since his £15 million signing just over a year ago, but he picked a fine time to break his duck. And elsewhere, Liverpool returned to winning ways, clinching their first game at Anfield as EPL champions, thanks to a 2-0 victory against relegation-threatened Aston Villa. And that's the news update. Don't forget to join us later for the recap. I am Godwin Achinge. Thank you for watching.